In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change calendar country or calendar type on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Settings, then scroll down until you find General. Then scroll down again, and that's where you can easily find Language and Region. In here, if you would like to change the region for your entire device, you can easily do so right here. In my case, it is set to the United States. However, we can easily select any region from that list. But guys, if you just want to change your calendar type, down below here you can easily find calendar. Right here it's set to Gregorian. It is the most commonly used calendar type all over the world. However, if we get into it, we'll be able to easily switch it to Japanese or Buddhist in that simple way. After that, we can head over to the calendar app and check the result. As you can see, now my calendar has been changed to Japanese format. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.